Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here. This is my kitty that I'm doing. Her name's Shanty. Kind of making her look like a snowman at first, hey? Get those shapes in. I like to draw from my whole arm right up to the shoulder sometimes. Keeps things flowing a lot more smoothly. I am going 3 times the speed here, making a correction already. I'll get some of those extra lines out of the way so I can see what I'm doing and so you can see what I'm doing. I just love this silly sitting position. It's like she was grooming and she got interrupted and looked up. Just bringing that tail up so it points around back to the focal point, which is her lovely face. But every part of the drawing is important, not just the main focal point. So ideally you want to have lots of interesting spots that lead the eye nicely around the drawing. Starting to darken up lines now. There's that paw that's tucked in behind there. I think I got that right hand front paw, the one right by my thumb there, the one most forward. I think I got it a bit too big, and I noticed that after I finished the drawing. Of course, now I'm doing a voiceover. Got some nice eye lines in there to help me place the eyes. So this is where I tighten up and slow down a bit. Got it looking like her, I think. And I think I'll kind of add some patches of color here. Her brown patches to make it look more like her. Yeah, I didn't like the way that looked. That's better. And got those lovely tufts of fur that stick out the bottom of her feet. More tufty fur there. Here's her little chin spot. She just always looks like she has a goofy grin on because of that patch under her, on her chin. So just want a simple version of her pattern, of her coat pattern. Not going into too many details, just so we know it's her. I am going a lot faster now. We're going at 10 times the speed now. Finish up this drawing for you. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to learn about drawing cats. Let me know about your cat. Let me know about yourself. Let me know where you live. All those things. I love to hear what part of the world you're in. I just love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.